God's knowledge to man, a little understanding to his wondrous creation, stretching man's intelligence to the very limit of its capability. In a colossus world of hate comes an enigma, codes engineered to be quacked, hatched, revealing the life of war's ends. Nature portraying Fibonacci, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Created to demonstrate true love of bracketing protection. Individual talents, your own unique power. Undivided attention, multiplying as seeds are carried by the wind and the seas to rest and blossom, accumulating the air for us humans to breathe. O2, an element not periodic in design, but continuous, abundant manufacture for you, but as oxygen. Cannot be seen although needed to survive. Subtracted sadly from our minds, the sacrifice of Jesus Christ. From the butterflies, the sequence in which it flows with flamboyant elegance, maneuvering, gliding, fluttering, with fruitful colors across the summer skies. To acorns, to pineapples, to shells, who lay half buried singing algorithms, vocals by the yellow sand and blue skies, music from the oceans, the drop of the sun, the perfect imperfection of the disfigured reflection over the horizon, the unrecognized what seems instantaneous appearance of the moon and the stars. Universe, uni equals one. Verse, a spoken statement, one spoken statement. Let there be light, and there was light. A flicker of an eye, from the blind darkness to the blinding brightness, lightening the path of life to come. A peaceful noise of morning, humming, soars, high notes no matter the rush. An unnoticed yet welcomed consistency, reliable happiness, expected joy, as the burdens of the day before is thoughtfully, intentionally brushed off your shoulders, as the trees brush the winds, a sadly unappreciated loving mercy, protection, a spiral of understanding his glorious beauty of art, the surprise of how chemicals, organisms, animals, humans, nature, weather, inventions live in a comforting harmony, songs of tranquility, so convenient and perfect, a match composed in heaven and orchestrated on the magnificent creation of earth. Too perfect to be a coincidence, but intentional, planned, prepared with care by a creator. All things good.